What is time blocking?
Time blocking is a time management technique where you divide your day into segments or blocks, each dedicated to a specific task or group of tasks. Instead of working from a traditional to-do list, you plan what you'll work on and when. This method helps you focus, limits distractions, and ensures you have time set aside for your most important priorities.
Why should beginners try time blocking?
Time blocking offers beginners a clear, organized way to structure their day. By assigning each task a dedicated period, you reduce the mental load of decision-making and procrastination. This method is especially helpful if you struggle with distractions or multitasking. Over time, you'll likely notice greater productivity, better work-life balance, and a stronger sense of accomplishment.
How do you start time blocking?
Begin by listing out your main tasks for the day. Next, estimate how much time each task will take. Use a calendar or planner to assign these tasks to specific time slots. Be realistic with your time estimates and leave space between blocks for breaks or unexpected interruptions. Consistently review and adjust your schedule to find what works best for you.
What are common mistakes to avoid?
A common mistake is overscheduling without breaks. Give yourself buffer time between blocks for rest and adjustments. Another pitfall is being too rigid. If something urgent comes up, be flexible and reschedule. Finally, don't underestimate how long tasks will take. With practice, you'll improve at estimating and adjusting your blocks for a smoother day.
How can you stay motivated with time blocking?
To stay motivated, start with small, manageable blocks and tasks you enjoy. Celebrate small wins after completing each block. Reflect regularly on how the system helps you achieve your goals and adjust as needed. Remember, time blocking is a tool. Customize it to fit your unique routine and needs for long-term success.